When you have looked at that stump long enough, or you want to get ready for the summertime barbecues. Maybe you want to avoid someone tripping and injuring themselves. Whatever your reason may be, our name says it all. Mr. Stump. Call today and beat the upcoming rush for tree service.
Tree plant, you usually want to go 16, 18 inches deep. Professional planters recommend up to 2 feet. We go above and beyond. Spray it, kill it. What will happen now is my guys will fill in the hole, take out any extra debris, blow the debris off the grass, and make it just like that first stump. The hours on this machine. Until next time.
Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them for you.